is Charli Way?
We don't even know that. I mean, we literally just picked her up.
Yeah, let's do just
In
her
your-
for now.
Yeah.
Let her sniff around for a second. Do you have any kind of treats or something that smells good too? Oh, that works. That works. Actually. Oh.
She says, what you doing?
Oh. There you go. See?
The breeder
That
has,
darn collar.
yeah. The breeder
There you
has
go.
nicknamed her Mischief
Let's go back.
because she gets
Let's
into
go back
mischief.
over here.
I like that.
Let's go back over here. Have a seat. Have a seat. There you go. Have a seat.
He says, I've been sleeping for 3 hours.
Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go. There you go. Right there.
Really?
We'll sniff around for a second.
Yeah, and we literally just put the collar on her.
Yeah, she's like, oh my God, this
So,
thing.
I mean, that's why she's doing all that little itching is because of the
I need to
collar.
change, I need to change the setting here. She
Oh,
can-
okay.
She can walk around for a second, sniff.
Yeah. She's just.
Hi, Charlie.
Hi, Charlie. Hey, Charlie.
Look at the little butt.
Yes.
Do you want us to take the collar off?
I can, maybe she'll quit itching.
Maybe she'll quit itching.
All right.
All right, come here, Charlie.
Oh, that color was so cute though.
I know. Come here, you little turd.
Maybe this is not a